Want to know about the Samsung Galaxy C8 Edge 2018? Then stay tuned with Smartphonepedia. Subscribe to Smartphonepedia for latest smartphone updates. And press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos every time. Let's firstly talk about the general specifications of Samsung Galaxy C8 Edge 2018. Operating system will be Android 8.0 Oreo. And it will be available in 3 colors: black, gray, and gold. Secondly, let's talk about the display of Samsung Galaxy C8 Edge 2018. 5.7 inches Full HD Super AMOLED curved display. Pixel density 401 pixels per inch. And some sensors are accelerometer, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. Thirdly, let's talk about the processor and the RAM of Samsung Galaxy C8 Edge 2018. Processor is going to be 2.6 GHz octa-core, whereas the RAM will be 4 GB. And fourthly, let's talk about the camera of Samsung Galaxy C8 Edge 2018. Rear camera will be dual cameras of B16 megapixel and 5 megapixel. And front camera will have 13 megapixel, with dual-tone LED flash. Fifth, we will talk about storage of Samsung Galaxy C8 Edge 2018. The internally available storage will be 64 GB, and is expandable up to 256 GB with micro SD card. Sixth, at last we shall get you noticed about the battery. The battery is 2950 mAh non-removable. Moving forward now, we shall discuss the price and release date of Samsung Galaxy C8 Edge 2018. The expected price is $300 that is 20,000 Indian rupees. And the release date shall be around mid-2018. And finally, we shall talk about the overall score and alternatives for Samsung Galaxy C8 Edge 2018. Overall score from Smartphonepedia will be 8 out of 10. And the best alternative for Samsung Galaxy C8 Edge 2018 is Vivo V7 Plus. Well, I hope you found the information valuable. So, please do a return favor by clicking the like button and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching Samsung Galaxy C8 Edge 2018 specifications and price.